Good morning, students. Be safe, be positive. So, class 6 students, your half yearly syllabus has been completed. So, now it's time to do revision. Okay, so we will revise all the chapters from first to 5. And if you have any doubt, you can come in school also. Okay, and ask me. You will find me in school Monday to Friday, timing 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. Okay, so now, so chapter number first, who did Patrick's homework? So this chapter is about a boy whose name was Patrick. Patrick was an active boy who loved outdoor games like hockey and basketball. He was an enthusiastic player but somehow was not interested in studies. He had interest in all the things but not in studies. Because of his poor interest in studies, his teacher warned strictly him many times. One day, Patrick observed his cat playing with a doll, but when he looked at it closely, he found that it was a small man elf. Okay, so he was wearing a woolen shirt, a tall hat, and breeches. He was scared of a cat and needed help. He requested Patrick to save him, and in return, he promised to grant him a wish. Patrick felt happy and called himself a fortunate one, a lucky one. He asked the elf to do his homework in return. Though the elf was not ready for it, yet he offered to do this for 35 days, means one semester. 35 days is time of one semester. So, however, a problem arose when the elf told that he knew nothing of maths and history. He needed help to do these subjects. He needed help in these subjects, especially in maths and history. Patrick agreed and brought many books to read and consult. He sat next to Elf and put in a heart to tell the complete the work. Okay, he had helped him to complete the work. Exactly after 35 days, when the semester was over, the elf went away quietly. He, uh, he informed nobody. He went away quietly. Patrick scored grade A in all the subjects. Everyone appreciated him. He became a very different person who was hardworking, generous, and exemplary boy. Okay, so Patrick thought it is Alf who helped him score high, but in reality, it was Patrick himself who did all the good and changed his score. So Patrick changed, but if we find practically, it was Patrick, okay, who did all the homework himself. So it is all about Patrick. In next video we will revise the question answers. Okay students, so till then stay safe, stay home. Goodbye.